Hello, in this video I'm going to cover how to create a new research seminar. And so to do so within WCMS, what we're going to do is begin by first going to the faculty, the seminar folder, and that's located in the faculty tab. So here we are in the WCMS. So we have BL/EDUC web, and then website is the next folder that we highlight. And under website, faculty is what we want. And then under faculty is where we see seminars, and there we go. So here we want to open the current folder, and we see that there is one already there, current. And so we select it, or roll over the triangle next to it, I should say, and what we want to do is copy it. So select copy, and then what you're going to do is give the new seminar the name. So we're going to name this, the convention is RS, and then the year, so 2014, and then month, so we have 2014, let's go July, and then the date is going to be, we'll just say the 3rd of July, and then the seminar in the series, it's just a one-time deal, so 01. So that is the naming convention, RS dash year dash month dash day dash what it is in the series. So that's going to be the first, and that is where we want to. That's the folder we want it, current of the seminar folder, the current seminars. So everything looks good. So I'm going to click submit, and so now we should see two seminars, and sure enough, it was a successful copy, and sure enough we see two in the current. We see the one, the original, and then the one highlighted is the copy, which really will look exactly like the one that was copied. So what we want to do to this one is we want to edit it. So since this is the one highlighted, the one we just created, the one in the 3rd of July, I'm going to click edit. And there we go. Okay, so now here you're able to manipulate everything we want. So we want to call it the 3rd of July. It's actually going to be 1 p.m. to 2:30, and it's going to just be here, IUB room 2101. The URL for video streaming, if it is known, is pasted there, and then the description. And so I'm going to say, in this seminar, the demonstration of all things ETS. Then I'm just going to say example 1, example 2, example 3. Very good. Okay, that's the description I want. Always making sure that workflow is not highlighted, not selected, and it's not. So from there, I click submit, and very good. Edit successful. So what we would want to do is publish. And to publish, what we do is we go to current folder, so highlight that, and then there we go. click publish. And so I'm not going to do that because this is just for demonstration purposes, but clicking publish will then produce two, it'll publish both the old one and the new one, which is okay because the next step is now we want to archive the old one. So the old one in this case is the one from April. So we highlight that one. And what we want to do is we want to move rename. So here we are in the April one, the old research seminar. We want to archive it. And so to move and rename it, keep the file the same name, but we want to change this parent folder. That's what we're concerned with. So now the parent folder we want to take out of current and put in the archive. So to do that, we click browse. And right now it's located in current, but that's not what we want. So we click on archive. There we go. Now it's going to go in the archive folder under the seminars, which is what we want. Again, I'm not going to do it, but you would click confirm. And confirming would then send that to the archive folder. And that's what we want to do. So once that's cancel. Once that's done successfully, then you should be left with the April research seminar in archive and only the 3rd of July seminar in current. You can then publish individually, you can publish each, or you can just simply publish seminars and publish that. That will do the trick as well. And so once they're all published, then you'll see what you should see what you want when you visit the seminar page on the School of Ed website. Hopefully you found that helpful. Remember, the key is to create a new research seminar. First, you want to copy a one already existing and thus produce a second in the current folder. Once you have the second, you can then publish and then move the older of the two into the archive. That is the next step. Once you do that, you should be left with only one new research seminar in the current folder. And then from there you can just publish both and you should be good to go. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks a lot.